Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to extend your battery life on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just check out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, just open your quick settings. At first, you can just lower your brightness. And the another option is just go to the settings from here. And as you open your settings, go for the option System. As you click it, scroll down where you can see this option Power and just click on here. And from here, you can just turn on this battery saver. As you turn it on, your battery saver is on your Meta Quest 3. So guys, that's how you extend your battery life on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.